So Deepika, I've done with the test. There it is in the Lok Satta.
What is the aim of the channel?
मुझे इतना प्राउड फील हुआ.
Drop it.
Before starting this vlog, I would like to request you guys for one little thing. In the description below, the first link that you will find is of a petition, and I request you guys to go on that link, read the petition and please sign it. It will not just secure the future of our channel, but it will secure the future of every content creator out there. So please go through that petition. It is my humble request, and do sign it. Thank you. Good morning guys. A brand new week starts with every Tuesday. And today Deepika has a driving test. So देखते हैं कैसा परफॉर्म करती है. Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous.
It is good to be a little bit nervous. That's how you perform good.
Yeah.
So चलो चलते हैं. So we have reached here at the Vadala RTO and we are waiting for the instructor and the inspectors who conduct the test. So the test is going on at the moment. आप पीछे देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे. टेस्ट शुरू है, लाइन लगी हुई है लंबी सी, बट हमारे मोटर ट्रेनिंग स्कूल का जो बंदा है वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. That's why we are waiting.
We are waiting from.
ए पीकू पीकू इडली खाई थी.
No.
इडली खाओ ना पीकू पीकू.
We have 5 minutes.
So Deepika is ready for a test and I hope she does everything well. I'm sure she will because अच्छा चला लेती है गाड़ी. ये गाड़ी. So Deepika, I've done with the test. 4-wheeler का टेस्ट ठीक ठाक था और एक्टिवा इसने बहुत अच्छा चलाया. And the guys did not let me record it. I don't know why. The test is over. I had posted a photo on Instagram. और वो देख के ये आ गए हमसे मिलने. नवीन राइट?
Yes, sir, Naveen.
नवीन आए मिलने और अच्छा लगता है यार, आप ऐसे मिलते हो तो इट फील्स रियली नाइस.
सर मेरा भी चैनल है लाइफलाइन बाइकर. डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
लाइफलाइन बाइकर मोटो व्लॉगिंग.
यस सर, मोटो व्लॉगिंग.
ओके ग्रेट.
स्टार्ट
डू चेक आउट दिस चैनल.
थैंक यू.
Look where I am guys. Oh god. गाय के लिए शूज मिलता है क्या भैया? So we were at the store called as Mystic and it is at Ghatkopar Reef and we got a jacket. So Deepika will be wearing this jacket and I'll show it to you very shortly. So we are going for a party right now which is hosted by YouTube and it is for all those YouTube channels which have 1 lakh and above subscribers. So I'm very neat and sober, formal पूरा अवतार है मेरा आज, and even Deepu is wearing smart casuals. But look at this madam here. Deepika जरा दाखव बहू. Look at her. ये बाहर है जरा. Let our people see what she's wearing. Look at what she's wearing. एक नंबर मानस. एकदम नवा गाड़ी. Smells fresh. So Deepraj had been with me for the fan fest. तो उसके लिए ये पहला इवेंट नहीं है, but Deepika is being with me for the first time on a YouTube event. So how are you feeling, Deepika? Are you excited?
Excited. Yes.
So we are headed towards Westin Hotel, which is at Goregaon. I'm just going there to have a good time. Just to relax. So yeah, that is the hotel. और हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचने को 2 घंटे लगे because of the horrible traffic. Still stuck in traffic. And here we enter. The hotel is really amazing, guys. बहुत ही प्यारा होटल है.
It's so hard to find with all the things that's going on.
Sir.
Prasad, nice in this one.
Yeah?
इसमें अच्छा दिख रहा
You always look nice.
नहीं इसमें अच्छा दिख रहा
मैं आईफोन ले ही नहीं सकता जिंदगी में. जाना नहीं पार्टी में. She's having a plain working also. The party guys is really amazing. You see all the creators there. That was deep life. That was deep life right there. Wow. I love it, sir. And Mumbai का city का. So both these guys are having veg. ये हमारे हैं शाकाहारी जीव. पनीर समझ के खा ले. Me peen. Don't worry.
Me peen. Sir.
What is it?
It's figs and orange cream cheese.
Okay. Review it right now. Not good?
No.
Now what's that? Deepu, you hungry?
Yeah. Very, very hungry.
Have that. How is it? Review it right now.
It's not at all salty. There should be more salt in it.
Yeah. It's chicken.
I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I
Shirley Setia. We just got this goodie bag from YouTube. Nikhil got it here. It has this beautiful thing. Nikhil जरा बता ना यार. ये मुझे अच्छा लगा. That's a play button. That's a little play button. लगाना जरा jacket पे लगाना. And we got this, the Google Cardboard VR thing. Yeah. So we are done with the party. And the party was good. Yeah, it was good. The food was okay. Veg में ज़्यादा option नहीं था.
Not okay for me.
या वेज में ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं था. नॉन वेजिटेरियंस के लिए काफ़ी ऑप्शन था. बट या द पार्टी वाज गुड. या अपना कोई गाड़ी तो है नहीं जो ड्राइवर लेके यहाँ पे खड़ा हो जाएगा. अपने को बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. कॉमन मैन, द पावर ऑफ अ कॉमन मैन गोइंग फॉर अ यूट्यूब पार्टी दैट इज फॉर 1 lakh सब्सक्राइबर्स प्लस. दैट्स हाउ यू डू इट. पडलो असतो ना मी जो चपलांनी. सो दीपिका एंड मॉम एट वेंट फॉर शॉपिंग. और आज मॉम फर्स्ट टाइम उबर में गई एंड दीपिका टुक हर. सो हाउ वाज हर रिएक्शन?
Very nice. She was enjoying actually.
शी लाइक्ड इट.
Yeah, she liked it. She slept also.
She slept in the car. She slept
Yeah.
in the Uber from here to
Yeah.
Dadar.
Not from Dadar to here.
Okay, yeah, she must be tired because
Yeah.
these guys have shopped a lot. You can see all these huge bags. वापस सामान भर गया पूरा खिड़की विड़की पे. So let's see what all they have got. They have got some karanjis. So this is all Diwali का फराळ. Yeah, in Marathi you call it फराळ, the sweets and everything. I don't know what these are, but they have got too many different. What?
पोहे पापड़.
अच्छा, it is पोहा का पापड़ and too many nice items to eat. पूरा फराळ है and some clothes and some more chakli and food items and चाकू. ये किसको काटने के लिए है? how was your Uber experience?
चांगलं आहे.
सांग ना, नीट सांग ना. उबर एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता? इथं कॅमेरा देतोय, तुला फुटेज देतोय.
मला नको कुठे.
पब्लिक इज लाइकिंग यू आणि असं करणार तू. हां, फुटेज खाणार.
हे बघ.
Yeah, so guys, if you don't know what this is a knife sharpener. काय मम्मी?
नाईफ शार्पनर.
Yeah, it's a knife sharpener. And how was your Uber experience?
चांगलं वाटलं.
You liked it? It was good, comfortable. आणि तू झोपलीस ना उबर मध्ये? गाड़ी लेने का मन तो बहुत होता है, पर जब ऐसा सीन देखता हूँ ना, मन बदल जाता है.
सच में मेरा भी.
बॉम्बे गाड़ी लेने के लायक ही नहीं है ऐसे लगने लगा. उबर ओला जिंदाबाद. Deepika is giving dosa का order there. We gave a sandwich and pizza का order here at the Anand Juice Center, one of the best eating joints at Ghatkopar West. And look at the traffic jam here. It's Diwali time, guys. And I am doing a रखवाली of my काड़ू, क्योंकि पता नहीं कभी टो वाले आके उठा के लेके जाए. You want to see something? See that? पलट. Only India, no China. क्या समझी?
समझी.
This is where we should buy things from. I'm taking this shot just to make you guys hungry. This is chicken keema, prawns biryani, and a pizza. So we are at Ghatkopar East, Khau Galli, and Deepika को भूख लगी थी. So we are having this pasta here. How is the pasta? Is it good? ये है मुंबई मेरी जान, घाटकोपर मेरी जान. Yeah, see, this is the cow gully. This dosa wala here, इस पे IT की रेड हुई थी. That is how much money he makes. Let's have some watermelon juice. So I just woke up and Dhananjay Bhosle called me and he said कि newspaper वाचलास का. So I said नहीं, newspaper तो नहीं पढ़ा. And he was like, I was there in Lok Satta, my article is there in Lok Satta. So I'm going right now to get the newspaper because I don't know what they have written about me. Whether it is good or bad, I don't know and I'm scared. He said it is good. Yeah, let's see. Paper पढ़ते हैं. So yeah, here it is in the Lok Satta. और 5 पेपर ले रहे हैं अभी हम लोग. And I'll be putting the links to this below in the description. Instagram link and if I get the newspaper link, the e-link, I'll post it in the description below. तो आप पढ़ सकते हैं.
Just got 3 newspapers, we want more.
So we are going to the next paper vendor.
Yeah.
Did you get some?
Yeah.
किती घेतले?
2 more.
Okay, so we have 2 more papers.
Yeah.
Chalo. So the article is good and today fortunately is my dad's birthday. So thank you guys for giving this gift. This is all because of you. आप लोग अगर नहीं होते, आपका सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो ये चीज़ आज नहीं होती. आज पेपर में आए, कल न्यूज़ में आएंगे, फिर अर्नब से भी मिलेंगे. Because India needs to know and India needs an answer. So on behalf of every Indian consumer, I wish my dad many happy returns of the day. And there he is showing the article. मजा आया क्या? मुझे पता नहीं ये कौन है, पर मुझे पता है ये कौन है. Okay, so we have Techsum TV with us, and if you don't know Techsum TV, this is the guy who had helped me keep the Nexus 6P giveaway. So it was just possible because of this guy.
Yeah, there is another phone coming in very soon, and I am pretty sure you can guess what phone it will be.
7?
So
iPhone?
I am actually announcing this exclusively on his blog right now because I have not shared this with anyone.
Okay, so for that,
And I am not telling the phone model, phone name. But yeah, you know it.
yeah, you can guess it pretty much.
And yeah, guys, have you seen this one? I am sure you might have already seen this.
Absolutely.
I was actually absolutely happy seeing this one.
And I was absolutely happy seeing this. I was absolutely happy seeing this. This guy got me this Mysore Pak from Bangalore, right?
Yeah, Bangalore.
So he's here all the way from Bangalore, and we are going to shoot a little video here.
And Deepraj is giving me the creepy look. I don't know.
And let me just show you this Mysore Pak. Wow, it's the soft one. Happy Dhanteras.
Happy Dhanteras to you.
There is no Dhanteras without Dhan. Happy Dhanteras. Das kya hai?
And look what he is wearing, guys.
So YouTube gave us this wonderful jacket. What is it? A bomber jacket kind of. So and this thing, this button, this magnetic play button. We got this in the 100,000 subscriber party. ये अच्छा है, इसका quality अच्छा है. YouTube, this is good. So guys, we just had this wonderful shoot right now. बहुत मजा आया और बहुत मस्ती की हम लोगों ने. There were some questions which Techsum asked me, and to see all those questions and to see what all we did, you'll have to check out his channel.
Yeah, so if in case the video will be live, we will definitely leave the link in the description or maybe somewhere in the I button here or there. So you will have to watch the video to see who exactly won. Yeah.
And Dad has brought some amazing mithai. So this is, these are pedas. This is chocolate and pista barfi. And here we have kala jamun and gulab jamun. And Deepika is making some chocolates here. How is your work going, madam?
Very nice.
Okay, great. So this is how our chocolates are packed. Like this and then this. Yeah.
It is just beginning, you should know that.
Yes, I know it.
Because you should never be narrow-minded as you are my son.
Yes. Deepu, how are you feeling, man?
Amazing, because everyone is like paper में नाम आ गया ना in India. तो वो बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया, but I already knew बड़ा काम चालू है.
वही तो काम कर रहे हैं इतने सालों
Views आ रहे हैं, million views आ रहे हैं, तो you are already creating so much value, which will be respected someday, and it is recognized today. So I'm feeling really proud that I'm your brother.
एक सेकंड मला बोलायचं आहे अजून थोडं. The article is so beautifully written. It actually deeply tells what is the aim of the channel and what were the difficulties and what is the career of Prasad and how Prasad climbed those सीढ़ीज यानी staircase. And that article, so I should thank also to Lok Satta.
Yes, thank you Lok Satta, thank you very much. Deepika, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling proud.
They have even mentioned your name and Deepraj's name. They went through our videos and collected the data, so it feels good, right?
Yeah. And I really want to thank each and every subscriber the way they have supported you, and I would also like to thank the newspaper Lok Satta, the way they have represented it on the paper. It really means a lot, and I'm happy. Yeah.
In the morning she was the one जो मुझे उठा के पेपर लेने को फोर्स किया इसने कि चल जल्दी. मैं नहाया भी नहीं था और पेपर लेने को मुझे भगाया.
हाँ, नहीं तो तू सोता रहता था और आराम से बैठता था. तेरे को बाकी के लोग आके बोलते थे कि अरे पेपर में तेरा न्यूज़ आया है.
और पेपर खल्लास हो गया रहता था.
लेकिन हाँ,
era, yo.
मुझे ये पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है.
Yes, actually at the back of our heads, we all knew that this thing is going to happen because we are working for it. And you people are supporting. If you people wouldn't have supported, nothing of this sort would have happened. So we knew all this. Mummy, India needs to know the celebrity of the hour, our chief guest, the thug mom. That was a weird reaction, mummy. Please, tell us. कैसा लग रहा है? तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
हिंदी.
जब सुबह मुझे मेरी कलीग ने बताया कि आज पेपर में तेरे बेटे का बहुत बड़ा लेख आया है, तो मैं जाके मुझे इतना प्राउड फील हुआ.
सुबह से इसको कंटिन्यूसली कॉल्स आ रहे या
और मैं भी सबको व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज डाल रही हूँ
यस.
कि पेपर पढ़ो और देखो.
And do you like to be a part of it? An integral part of our vlogs,
Yes, I am
becoming
proud
the
of
thug mom.
और हर एक माँ बाप की इच्छा होती है कि कभी ना कभी अपने बेटे का नाम पेपर में आएगा.
it. हाँ,
तो
वो
आज
आ
आ
गया.
गया है.
आज फर्स्ट टाइम है.
शायद मैं मेरिट में आता तो भी फ्रंट पेज पे नहीं आता.
And I am amazed and excited because the article is so big and neatly written.
Yes. So yeah, working for a cause, getting recognized, feels good. Thanks to you. और कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. Thanks to no one else. Thanks to you, subscribers. हम चले काम पे. Need to go to some places, get some products, and even have to meet निखिल. और निखिल के यहाँ से भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लेने, उसके घर पे भी जाना है. So I'm with निखिल right now at कल्याण और हम लोग का एक मीटिंग है. तो या we already late. हम लोग रास्ता ढूंढ रहे हैं. ओके. So I actually was not going to come for this meetup. तो जिन लोगों को मैंने बोला नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ पे आने वाला हूँ, I'm really sorry for that. But there were many people here and this is Nikhil's meetup. This is not my meetup. So again some problem. गाड़ी के आगे किसने गाड़ी लगाया, गाड़ी हटाओ, ये हटाओ, वो हटाओ. Lots of things going on there. The mall needs to understand we are giving them traffic. The meetup was simply amazing. Such positive energy by everyone present there. आपको मैं सब लोग को सेल्फी नहीं दे पाया. जो भी वहाँ पे आए थे, जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, I'm really sorry कि मैं आपको सेल्फी दे नहीं पाया या 2 मिनट आपके पास रुक नहीं पाया. बहुत बुरा लगा. This is what I don't like. और पर बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो भर गया हूँ एनर्जी से, भर गया हूँ. So we finally arrived at Nikhil's place and this gentleman here was waiting for Nikhil. 2 घंटे घूम के इसने घर ढूंढ निकाला है. किसी को बताना मत. So I'm back home right now and the meetup was amazing. Here there is some party going on, but I need to quickly give you an update. So when you're seeing this video, I'll be in Latur. So for this complete week, I'll be in Latur. I have some personal work there. It is like a vacation kind of thing for me right now. And this complete week I won't be uploading any other video other than this vlog, and the next week, that is next Tuesday, directly you'll get my vlog. So in between I won't be putting any video because I won't have access to my gadgets, my computer and everything. I'll have internet access, so I'll be uploading things on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, all those social handles. So if you have not liked all those pages, I'll provide them like always below in the description. So that is where we'll be in touch. And अब सीधा मिलेंगे एक हफ्ते के बाद, ठीक है? Bye. चैतन्य वाड़िंबे। कुछ लोग होते हैं जो मदद करने की एक्टिंग करते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बता बता के मदद करते हैं, और कुछ होते हैं जो साइलेंटली आपके लिए बहुत कुछ कर जाते हैं। चैतन्य वाड़िंबे इज वन ऑफ देम, अ मेंबर ऑफ द इंडियन कंज्यूमर फैमिली, जिसने लोक सत्ता को कांटेक्ट किया था ऑन 15th September। इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हिम ये न्यूज़पेपर में छपी है। थैंक यू चैतन्य, थैंक यू।